Okay, in Depew, we got the rear garage door. They don't have a weather stripping, they just got a regular brick molding here, which is kind of odd. So that brick molding's got to come off, and then we're going to take and replace the aluminum trim on it. With that, excuse me, we're going to take and we got to disassemble the siding on each side of the garage and replace the J channel that's cracked there. So we're going to do that. The same on the man door here. So we got 1, 2, 3 pieces of J channel. We're not going to go to the extent, that's only a little bit down here on the right side. So we're just going to do the left side of the man door and the right side of the garage door, above the garage J channel, and the garage door aluminum trim in white, and give her new weather stripping on the garage door, and then the J channel on the left. On the house, we're going to do the rear corner post. So we got disassembled the siding here, replace the rear corner post in white here, disassemble the siding here, replace the J channel on the right side of the door here. We're going to take and cut a piece of AZEK, get rid of this aluminum trim, cut a piece of AZEK for a kick plate here, because that aluminum is just all beaten up, and that way the aluminum will be, or the AZEK will be more durable. Got to be careful because she's got such a gap up here that water might be getting in there, so we may want to give her the option to caulk this channel too. On the bay window, she's got at the bottom of the bay window we got two pieces of a back-to-back J channel. What might be better off here, better suited here, is to cut, just because we got to bring the siding down anyways, and I would recommend we take and cut this and possibly just make 2 pieces of AZEK corner. Might be a better fit. The J channel is going to be less costly. The AZEK will be more durable and a little bit more costly. So we'll give her the option of doing that. And that's basically about it. So she just wanted to tighten up on some of these holes in the siding. So okay, so get the numbers.